Okay, so you can see there are no IP address on clients. Okay, so now I will show you how to configure DHCP server, which is provide IP address to all clients. So now power on our routers. Right here, this is client 1. Okay, and this is your client 2. So first we need to configure clients. So now open console, first power on. Okay, then open console. Okay, now need to use command on client 1. You can see on client 1 means router 2. First go on config T. Okay, after that you can see there are no IP address on client 1. So use here no IP routing. No IP routing. Okay, after that need to set interface name. You can see on client 1 interface name is F0 by 0. So put here command interface F0 by 0. Okay, after that there are no IP address on client 1. So here type command IP address DHCP. Okay, because this client asks IP address from DHCP server. After that no shutdown. Okay, then exit from this interface. Okay, same command we will use on client 2. So now start client 2, power on. Okay, after that open console. And after that first go on config terminal mode. One minute. Yeah. So first go on config T. Okay. After that same command we will use on this client. So first use no IP routing. No IP routing. Okay. Then interface name. Client 2 interface name is F0 by 0. Okay. After that there are no IP address because this client IP address required from DHCP server. So put here IP address DHCP. Okay, then no shutdown and exit. Okay, so first command config t, then no IP routing, after that interface name, then IP address from DHCP, no shutdown, then exit, right? So you can see there are no IP address on clients. Now you can check these clients interface status by using this command. On client 1, do show interface brief. Do show IP interface brief, sorry. Okay, now you can see here show there are two interface, okay, F0 by 0 and 0 by 1, but you can see only first interface show up. Okay, because in client 1 have only one interface, you can see. Okay, after that second interface, you can see it show unset. Okay, and status down, but IP address, there are no IP address on first interface which is show up, right? Because DHCP server provide IP address of these clients after configuration. Okay, you can check same on client 2. Do show IP interface brief. Okay, same thing show on client 2. So for check interface status, you need to use this command, do show IP interface brief, right? Okay, after that, we need to power on DHCP server and then configure. Okay, I will show you. Now power on DHCP server, start. Okay, and now open console. Watch be carefully on DHCP server. You know, first command config t. Okay, go on configuration, terminal mode by using config t command. After that, configure DHCP server. Okay, let's see. First, we need to set pool. So command is, you need to use command for set pool. I will show you on DHCP server. IP DHCP pole, we will set pole 1. Okay. For set pole, you need to define this command on DHCP server. One by one, all step I will paste on text file. Okay. After that, we need to set network address on DHCP server. For set network address, use this command. Network, then DHCP server network address is 192.168.100.0, right? 192.168.100.0, and then subnet mask 255.255.255.0, right? Done. Network address. Okay, after that, we need to set DNS server on DHCP server. So for DNS server, you need to use this command. For DNS server, you need to use this command. DNS server, and we will keep same DNS server on same DNS server, which is IP address. Okay, so your DNS server is 192.168.100.1. Okay, so command is DNS server 192.168.100.1. After set all things, DHCP server provide IP address by default. So now we need to set default routers command. In this command, we will use same IP. Okay, so command is default router, then 192.168.100.1. Okay, after that, you need to set expiration date of that IP address, which is provide to clients. Okay, yes, you can set a expiration date of IP address. That means those IP address according to valid. Okay, I will show you command. So use this command for set expiration date. Suppose we want to probe IP address only for 10 days. Okay, you can set according to you. These IP address you can set according to you valid. So I will set only for 10 days. So put here please, and you can check if you want to check how many days you can set. You can see here so 0 to 365 days. Okay, you can set for 365 days, but set according to you. I set only till 10 days. Okay, so command is least 10. Okay, done. Now after that, if you want to check all status which is used command on DHCP server, so you can check by using this command. Okay, for check all status which is used command on DHCP server, do show run. Okay, first exit from config t, then use show run. Okay, you can see here show all commands which is follow on DHCP server. You can see first DHCP pool, after that network address, after that DNS server, then default router, then expiration date, right? Okay, now go on config t. Okay, I paste command on text file, do show run. Yes, fine. Okay, here show all things. After that, now check all information which is we request for IP address from DHCP server. So you need to binding that range which is you provide IP address to clients. Okay, that means you can set a range of IP address which is provided to all clients Okay, so for set range, use this command. IP DHCP excluded address 192.168.100.1, and we will set 192.168.100.10. Okay, you can set range according to you. I set till 192.168.100.10. Wait a minute, spelling wrong of excluded. Here spelling excluded EXCLUDED. Okay, excluded. Yes, fine. So for set this range, use this command IPDHCP excluded address. Okay, from here to 10. Fine. Okay, after that, set DHCP server interface and IP address and state up. Okay, by using these commands. Okay, we have already on config termination mode. So use command for set interface. DHCP server interface name is F0/0. Okay. After that, IP address. So same command, IP address 192.168.100.1. Then subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then no shutdown for status up and exit. Okay. Now check status. For check status, use command first exit and then use command show IP DHCP binding. So you can see here shows some information of this interface. Okay, it's provide IP address to this client. I will show you status. Now check status on clients, because now DHCP server provided IP address to clients. So let's check. Now go on client 1. Okay, before configuration DHCP server, you can see it show unassigned IP address, but after configuration DHCP server, check again, do show IP interface brief. Now you can see here show IP address on this interface 192.168.100.12. Okay, that means on client 2, provide IP address 100.12. Also check on second client, do show IP interface brief, here show 100.11. Okay, so you can see here DHCP server provided IP address to both clients. Now mention these IP addresses on clients. So on client 2, client 1, IP address is 192.168.100.12. So put here 192.168.100.12. Okay, and on second client, 192.168.100.11. Okay, this is the process to configure DHCP server. By using same process, you can connect many clients. Okay, done. I hope you got it all things. Now same things you will try on your GNS.